Hi, this is Jim. I'm at 2215 Stewart, and this is a little video to show you where we stand right now. As you can see, I've cleaned out all these ruts, all the uneven concrete. So this way the new concrete will stick. I don't know if you can see how deep that is there. See the veins. The parking lot's still wet. Here's the real bad section here. It's all very deep there. Cleaned out that. All this. Oh, when I had the pressure washer out, I went ahead and cleaned all this for you also. And I'm gonna, while I'm at it, I'm gonna go ahead and fill this right here. See right? Because I figured these people are probably tracking the black soot all into their houses and stuff, so that's why. As you can see, I pressure washed it off real nice. Okay. Okay, once again, this is Jim at 2215 Stewart, and have a good day. Oh, cleaned out these two. See, that has a pipe in it. That's a clean out, so that can't be filled. But I'm gonna dig this, see if there's anything in there. If not, I'm going to fill that up. All right. Thank you.